Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking in. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be making resin and bracelets using this SAV sticker. I normally use this in graphics epoxy installation on the wall, on the floor, even on the ceiling. So I thought of just using this in my resin and bracelets in today's video, and trust me, I just love the uniqueness of the outcome of each of the bracelets. You know, when it comes to resin, creativity is just endless. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right into the video.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
So thank you so much for watching today's video. I've also used acrylic paints, alcohol ink, and flowers to make different kinds of resin hand bracelet. If you have not watched that, please check the link right in your screen. And please don't forget to do these 3 main things for me before you go. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I release a new video. And don't forget to also comment. Thank you. See you in my next one. Bye.